Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Arslan from grammaratoz. Today I am in Islamabad, one of the most prominent city of my country. Here I am with my brother. I am thinking on what particular topic I'll made a video for my audience. So I think I made a video on how to speak English. Speaking English is not a dream nowadays because there are many apps, there are a lot of books, and there are a lot of teachers who are trying to help us in this process. So, if you want to speak English on your own, first of all, read grammar books because grammar is the foundation of any language. When you uh, have know about the grammatical aspects of the language, then it is really easy for you to speak that particular language in a very easy way. So the next step is that try to listen the podcast which is delivered in English. After listening these podcasts, you are able enough. First of all, you listen them carefully, and if you don't understand, try to use subtitles. After using subtitles, you are easily understand the things. The third step in learning English is that watch movies with subtitles. And the fourth step, use audiobooks. You must have a book in your hand and you must have the audio version of that particular book. So try to put hand free or earbud in your ears and listen how a native speaker how a native speaker utter or pronounce these particular words. This is the most prominent way to learn and correct the pronunciation of the words. And the last and the final steps. This step is my experience. If you really put yourself into something, and even you don't know what is the way to do that particular thing, Allah Almighty gave you the strength, capabilities, and abilities to do the task. So the ultimate thing is to make your mind to learn English. If you assure me that I am really committed, I am really interested to learn that language, then within the days, not within the days, within the months, you are able enough to speak that particular language very easily. That's all for today. अल्लाह आप सबको खुश रखे। मैं आपसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि जनाब थोड़ा सा व्यू आपको ये दिखा दें। आज बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है, ठंडी हवा आ रही है यहाँ पर। तो कभी आपको मौका मिले तो ये पीर सहावा जगह है, आप ज़रूर ज़रूर यहाँ पर आएँ। आप ज़रा इनको ज़रा नज़ारा दिखा दें।